Let's discuss some important questions about cytology. So, question number 1. The structural and functional unit of life is dash. Tissue, organ, cell or organism? Answer will be cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Question number 2. Which cell organelle is known as the powerhouse of cell? Option: nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome. And the answer will be mitochondria. Nucleus is the center of cell. Ribosome, you know, it is the protein factory. Mitochondria, it is the powerhouse of the cell. And lysosome, as we have studied, this is the suicidal bag of the cell. Next question. Which organelle is called the suicidal bag of the cell? And options are nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria and lysosome. And your answer will be lysosome. Lysosome is called as the suicidal bag of the cell. Next question. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having which organelle? Options are cell wall, chloroplast, large central vacuole or all of the above. So answer will be all of the above. A plant cells having cell wall, chloroplast, large central vacuole also. Next question. The jelly-like substance present in between the cell membrane and the nucleus is the dash. And answer will be protoplasm. The options are cytoplasm, nucleoplasm, protoplasm and chromoplasm, but the answer will be protoplasm. Next question. Which organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Is this nucleus, or ribosome, mitochondria and lysosome? And answer will be ribosome. Next question. The site of photosynthesis in plant cell is dash. The options are nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria and chloroplast. But the answer will be chloroplast. Chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis in a plant cell. Next question. DNA is mainly found in dash. Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria and chloroplast. But the answer will be nucleus. In some cases, inside the mitochondria, its own DNA is found, but here the answer will be nucleus. Which of the following is not found in a prokaryotic cell? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria or chloroplast? Answer will be nucleus. As we know, prokaryotic means, pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. The cell having primitive nucleus or absence of nucleus is called as a prokaryotic. But so here the nucleus may be absent. So it is called as prokaryotic cell. Next question. The function of the cell wall is dash. Options are providing sap and protection, the protein synthesis, energy production and storage of food. And our answer will be providing sap and protection. As we know, protein synthesis is doing by ribosome. So it is called as a protein factory of the cell. Energy production is doing by the mitochondria. So it is called as the powerhouse of the cell. And storage of food is done by vacuole itself. Okay. Next question. Which organelle is responsible for packaging and transport of proteins? Options are ribosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria and lysosome. But the answer will be Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus helps in packaging and transport of proteins. Hence it is called as the traffic police of the cell. Next question. Which cell organelle contains digestive enzymes? Options: ribosome, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome. But the answer will be lysosome. As the lysosome contains digestive enzyme, hence it has the capability to kill the cell itself when it requires or it necessary. Next question. The double membrane bound organelle is a dash. Options are ribosome, mitochondria, lysosome or Golgi apparatus. But the answer will be mitochondria. Next question. Which is a semi-permeable structure? You know what is semi-permeable? The structure which allows only important materials inside it, that is called as semi-permeable. It only permits some important materials inside it and doesn't permit non-necessary substances or non-essential substances. So that type of structure is called a semi-permeable structure. And the options are ribosome, mitochondria, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus. The answer will be cell membrane. So cell membrane is called as a semi-permeable structure or semi-permeable membrane as it allows only important or essential materials into or outside the cell. Next question. The functional segment of DNA are called dash. Options are genes, chromosomes, ribosomes, centrioles. But the answer will be gene. Gene is called as the functional segment of DNA. Task for today. DNA is not present in dash. Not present. Option will be nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast and ribosome. Please comment your answer in comment section.